Do you want to know how you can export the whole chat or whole conversation on WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can export the whole chat or conversation in WhatsApp. Go ahead and open WhatsApp, which is on your phone. Tap on the three dots you can see on the top right hand corner and go to settings. Now go to chats and you can see chat history. After you click on chat history, go to export chat and tap in the chat you want to export. Now you can see this is the whole chat with this person. You can share it with other people on your WhatsApp, or you can share it with other people on other social apps such as Viber, Messenger, or anything you want. So this is what you need to do to share your whole chat, guys. Tap on the three lines, go to settings, tap on chats, scroll a bit down and then click on chat history. Now click export chat and select the chat you want to export, and then you can tap on this and then you can click on send button. You can see that the whole chat will open up. So go ahead and open up this, click on extract and tap on it and open it with any of the browser or anything you have, and you can see that all of the chat has been exported. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.